Now on Antya 20, now again, Lord Chaitanya is glorifying Radharani's love by giving the tika, an explanation of the Shikshastakam. Because Shikshastakam is all about Radharani's love, Mahaprabhu's and Radha Bhav. So there he talks about Ashlishyava Parvatam Panashtamam Adarshamam. This is Radharani. So on Lord Chaitanya's commentary, on his Bengali commentary, he says, Prabhu Kaha, Prabhu Kaha. Prabhu means Mahaprabhu. The Bengali says, Prabhu Kaha. Mahaprabhu said. So now he states in Sanskrit this shloka, Ashlishyava Parvatam. You can break me, but my heart by not being present before me, or you can crush me in your loving embrace. And now this is prema. So this is indicating the viraha prema in separation. You crush my heart in separation, or the sambhog milan. Sambhog milan means madhurya prema when Krishna and Radharani yugo lingata, they embrace together in the oneness of love. So this is told in there, embracing or leaving. Now in the commentary, explanation of this love, then in Radha Bhav, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, that in the mood of Radharani, if Krishna wants to go to some other gopi, I will go to that other gopi, and I will serve her, and I will do anything for her. And then she said, why you serve me? Do me a favor, please meet with Krishna. Then one of those verses there, where in Radha Bhav, Krishna Chaitanya is describing the depth, the unlimited depth and the quality of Radharani's Mahabhav. Radharani speaks, she says, if Krishna finds happiness in making me unhappy, then that unhappiness that I experience is the greatest source of my happiness. And Bengali may be sweeter. So Radharani is deliberately not coming to see me and going with some. Even Lord Chaitanya is saying, even if Krishna comes in front of my eyes, this is in the Bengali. Even if Krishna comes in front of my eyes and kisses and embraces another gopi right in front of me, still I won't become envious and angry. This is inconceivable. Ask any woman how she feel, or any man or whatever, a husband or some other man came like. So Radharani, this is inconceivable. This is the most amazing degree of selfless expression of love. So this is the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.